The Asia Pacific region is prone to disasters, and this year was no exceptions. And there were also massive floods in the north of Thailand. So for our volunteering activity this year, we're partnering with the Mira Foundation, a very large NGO in Thailand, helping people in need and doing humanitarian assistance. And we're today sorting foods that have been donated to the foundation for a couple of hours, and then later they will be packed and delivered to people in need.